we have a formula for continuous interest that actually involves an exponential function. This a of t is the amount after t years, is equal to p, which stands for the principal, or the initial amount that was invested, times e. This e is a number. It's like about 2.71828. And then to the product of r times t powered, where r is the interest rate as a decimal and t is your time in years. So here in this particular problem, we're looking at trying to figure out the value of this given account that had $2,000 invested in it, an interest rate of 5% over a time of 3 years where the interest is being compounded continuously. So we're just going to go ahead and plug into this formula. So we'll have a of 3, that's plugging in t, that's just the notation, is equal to 2,000 times e to the r times t power. Well, the r is the rate as a decimal, so 5% as a decimal is 0.05 times t, which is 3. So simplifying this a bit, I need to compute 2,000 times e to the 0.15 power. I went ahead and did the multiplication right there. 3 times 0.05 would give me 0.15 with that. So now I'm going to go ahead and go to my calculator. I'm going to compute that. I'm going to do 2,000 times e to the 0.15 power. Now we'll round to 2 decimal places. Since we're dealing with money, we have $2,323.67 for that. That would be the amount of money in this account after 3 years. Be careful with this. I went ahead and did the multiplication right there before I went to the calculator and just plugged in 0.15 as the exponent. A lot of times students will type that directly into their calculator, and then their calculator will only take e to the 0.05 power, and then it'll multiply their entire answer by 3 because they don't put parentheses around their exponent or something like that. So either make sure your exponent is typed in parentheses if you're choosing to type it all into your calculator at once, or just do the multiplication for yourself ahead of time like I choose to do.